I'm in that bitch, nigga. Fuck the law, nigga. Man, fuck the law. Yeah, fuck the law. Man, fuck the law. Don't give a fuck by no cop. I'm a hustle on that block. Fuck the cop. Fuck the law. Hey, fuck the law. Put me over the other day looking for what weed. Bitch, I don't want smoke in a car, so get on my dick, bitch. You already know you see a black nigga with rolling. Pull a nigga over, make an excuse, whoa. No, nigga, I don't really know, I don't respect you. Looking like you want it, nigga, yeah, nigga, check too. If you ain't what had that bad, child, whoop your fucking ass. Yeah, nigga, you just trying to take my fucking cash. No, it won't last. You know what the fuck, what up? Nigga talking, make me fuck you up. I'm getting tired, nigga, sue the officer in the head. One more time, nigga, to make so he dead. Hey, fuck the law. Yeah, nigga, fuck the law. Fuck the law. Yeah, nigga, well, fuck the law. Fuck the world cop. I'm a hustle on the block. Fuck the law, nigga. Yeah, fuck the law. Nigga, fuck the law. Yeah, fuck the law. Yeah, fuck the law. Fuck the law. Don't give a what, fuck by no cop. I'm a hustler to make money on that block. Look, fuck the what law, you can work over the other way. Fuck the what law, I'ma run today. Fuck the what law, I gotta clock my dollars. Fuck the what law, nigga, I ain't following no hours. I don't even know what the fuck I said. But nigga talking, nigga ran up on me, you think that I was scared? Hell no. Give a name, nigga, you out your mind. I ain't know what snitch, ain't know what bitch. Dog, I don't got time. So you gon' lock me up, nigga, then do what you gon' do. Fuck the law. You know when or what nigga will come through. I'ma pop my fucking trunk. Ain't sit there. Go the other way right now, I don't give a care, nigga. Yeah, fuck the law, nigga. Nigga, you pull me over, nigga, call I'm black, nigga. By the way, nigga, they're motherfucking freestyle, nigga. Fuck the law, nigga.